Do not tell my wife we made this video. I feel really bad for the people below me. It's probably gonna catch fire, yeah. Okay, max speed. All right, guys, today I had this insane, probably really bad idea to see how fast I can do the tricks on this treadmill. So I'm gonna start at 1 mile per hour, then go 2 miles per hour, 3 miles per hour, 4 miles per hour, all the way up to as fast as this treadmill goes, and see if I can do skateboard tricks at the top speed.
5 minutes later.
So last time I turned this thing on, I just rolled and it was terrifying. Because when this thing is going really fast, if I do, let's say a kickflip and I miss the board, I'm dead. Literally dead. I'm gonna be pancaked all the way over there. So, I'm nervous already. I don't even know what to do. Okay, let's go. We're gonna start. First things first, we're just gonna get a nice easy roll. This is my workout every day. Imagine you wake up and you eat your high protein breakfast and you're like, okay, we got the workout? Not gonna lie, it does burn the legs. Chloe, you should try. Okay, so this is 1 mile an hour. First, we're gonna start with ollies, yeah? Yeah. Oh, you know what I realized? I was thinking that I could do it without holding on, but you have to hold on. Because if I don't hold on, bad idea. 1 mile an hour. Easy money. Okay, we're gonna kick it up to 2. 2 miles an hour. Good thing this thing holds up to 500 pounds, because that felt like 500 pounds. Okay, you ready? You can already hear it's starting to like really hum. 3 miles an hour. I feel really bad for the people below me. 4 miles an hour. Chloe, do you hear that?
So scary.
Chloe, we're literally not even halfway there. So I think what's happening is, you know how the treadmill is on like a tread that mills? It's like falling off to the side. 5 miles an hour. This is good practice. Got him.
I feel scared.
I love how Chloe feels scared. That's great, Chloe. How do you think I feel? 6 miles an hour. No hands, Mom?
No.
Like full-blown speed wobbles. Speed wobbles just going 6. But you know what I don't understand? Like on a skateboard, you can go way faster than 6. Why can't I just go forward? You know what I mean? Wow. 7 miles an hour. It just shocked me. There was a shock. I should have put on new wheels for this. Okay, I'm feeling pretty good. What do you think, Chloe?
I don't like this. Was that an attempted kickflip?
Tray flip.
Aaron.
I know, once I get a little excited, all hell breaks loose. Okay, you ready? 8 miles an hour. I'm just feeling pretty good. We can do this. Okay, I'm getting scared. Are you getting scared?
Yes.
9 miles an hour. Oh! I was almost died. 9 miles an hour. Woo wee! I believe top speed is 10 miles an hour. Yeah, top speed 10 miles an hour. You think I can run this fast? Do not try this at home. Okay, 10 miles an hour. Look at the speed wobbles just on that. Oh my word. Tighten the trucks, Aaron. Woo! We did it. We got ollies. 1 mile, 2 mile, 3 mile, 4 mile, 5 mile, 6 mile, 7 mile, 8 mile, 9 mile, 10 mile. I'm exhausted. It's the hardest workout of my entire life. Chloe, we're just getting started.
Wait, what are you gonna do?
Kickflips.
Oh no.
How fast can you kickflip on a treadmill? Okay, 1 mile an hour. Nice and relaxing. Just a nice chill. Let's see if I can even do a kickflip at all. What do you give me first try, Chloe?
$1.
$1?
Yeah.
Brand new shoes. That was the sickest kickflip I've ever done in my whole of existence. Okay, that was really good. I'm proud of myself. I'll just retire right there. Treadmill kickflip, cha-ching. 2 miles an hour. Leave it in the comments below if it's cheating if I hold on. I mean, first try, first trizzle. We're on the dizzle here, my nizzle, for rizzle. I like that. I was 2 miles an hour. Kicking it up to 3 miles an hour. Dang, I'm coming in clutch on these kickflips, Chloe. Am I wrong?
Don't try it without holding on.
Well, you say that, it's like.
No, Aaron.
Probably not supposed to do that.
No.
Have you not learned yet? If you're gonna say no, I'm gonna do it. Easy. 4 miles an hour. Whoa, whoa! I think that might be a rebate. I almost died there. You realize I'm supposed to have this clipped onto me for safety. I'll show you safety. That was pretty good. Think we got 5 first try?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so too. 5 is just like getting into my sweet spot. Oh, I almost bodied. You smell that?
Sounds like it's gonna catch fire.
It's probably gonna catch fire, yeah. I'll tell you what's going on. What happens is this tread gets pushed to the side and it starts to like.
Oh, I see.
See? Now that we're adjusted. Chloe, why am I sweating so much?
Because you're kick flipping on a treadmill.
I know, but I'm not running. This is not even exercise. I'm just standing here.
Skateboarding is exercise.
Yeah, I guess so. We are now at 6 miles an hour. Even that alone was like really death-defying. I'm scared.
I know.
Please rate this kickflip though. Oh! Oh yeah! See, it's because I'm on there and my weight is more on my heels and I'm pushing forward. It's pushing that tread. So I need to do it, switch, push it back. Oh yeah! See how it's going back? Man, it's like I solved it. 7 miles an hour!
Oh my God, Aaron.
7 miles an hour! Is that noise from me?
Yes.
Do not tell my wife we made this video. She's gonna be pissed at me. 8 miles an hour! Okay, ready? First try. Wow! Wow! 9. This is sketchy! Wait. Get it back there. Oh! I literally almost died. Come on, 2 rocket flip. I don't know why this is like the hardest workout ever. I'm like blistering wet with sweat.
How do you not know why? Do you see what you're doing?
No, I don't see what I'm doing. I don't see anything. You ready?
Why? What are you doing?
Okay. It was still 9. Why is that faster than I thought it was? Okay, max speed. Oh my word, that was good. That was popped kickflip. 10 miles an hour. 2 rocket, right?
No.
Right?
No, it was not 2 rocket.
Oh, 10 miles an hour. Okay, guys, we did it. 10 mile an hour kickflip and ollie. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Woo!